Leviticus 19:16 is quite direct. You shall not go as a slanderer among your people. You shall not stand up against the blood of your neighbor. I am Yahweh. This isn't about talking too much. Gossip is not harmless. Yahweh links it to harm, real damage. When you spread stories, twist details, or pass along information that isn't yours to carry, you are working against your neighbor, not for him. You are adding pressure to his life, damaging his name and stirring division. And then Yahweh seals it. I am Yahweh. This is the standard, not yours to adjust. So don't just justify it as just sharing or just concern. Ask yourself, are your words building or are they quietly destroying someone else's life? Because scripture is clear. Gossip isn't small. It's a violation of his instruction. May Yahweh bless you.